Hello everyone, I'm Prem Kumar. Welcome to JEE Academy. Today I'm going to discuss with you JEE main question. So the function from real number to real number, the f of x is defined by x by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. G of x is given to you the composition function, right? 4 times you have to take, right? And what they're asking, 18 times integration 0 to square root of 2 times square root of 5 x square into g of x into dx, right? Okay, what is the trick here? First, what is given to you? F of x, right? X by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 4, right? First, let us calculate for two term. F of x you can calculate. Just replace x by f of x, right? So what will get? Divided by 1 plus f of x whole power 4 whole power 1 by 4, right? Now what is f of x here? What is f of x? X divided by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 whole divided by, here is 1 plus, what is f of x? The same thing, right? X by 1 plus x power 4, this is f whole power 1 by 4 whole power 4, right? And then whole power 1 by 4. You have to be very careful. Just I'm replacing f of x here. Got it? Okay, now you can simplify this one. Then what will get? F of, x divided by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 whole divided by, you can see, first you can expand this one, 1 plus x power 4 divided by, so you can see inside x by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 is there, whole power 4 is there. So you expand it here, x power 4 divided by 1 plus x power 4. You can see 1 by power 4 is there, right? 1 by 4 into 4 is what? 4 cancel. 1 plus x power 4 only is left, right? Okay, fine. The whole power 1 by 4, right? Now you can take the LCM here, x divided by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 whole divided by, so 1 plus x power 4 plus x power 4 whole divided by 1 plus x power 4 whole power, you can see whole power 1 by 4. Clear? Then how to write this one quickly? You can see x divided by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 whole divided by, so denominator you can see 1 plus 2 x power 4 whole divided by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 is there. Okay. You can expand it quickly. So how to write this one? You can say, I'll take another page. X divided by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 whole divided by, so 1 plus 2x whole power 4, 1 plus 2x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 divided by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. This will be cancelled, right? You can see. Then what is left actually? X divided by 1 plus 2x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. This is your f of x. Clear? Understood? Okay. 1 plus, I think all of you clear? You just expand it, right? So a by b whole power 1 by 4, how to write? A power 1 by 4, b power 1 by 4, right? The same idea you can apply. Okay. So here you can see the two terms is there, here 2 will be there. The same way here 4 term is there, f of x. 4 terms will be there means, then how to rewrite this one? X divided by 1 plus 4x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. Clear? Just you can see two term, two composition you can see here, 2 is there. There is nothing will be changed, right? Other than these two, right? The same way you can proceed for 3 composition, 4 composition terms. So 2 means 2, here 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means here 4 will be there, right? So in the question what they're asking, 18 times, okay, 18 times 0 to 18 times 0 to square root of 2 times square root of 5, right? 2 times square root of 5. Yes, x square into g of x. X square into g of x. This is g of x, right? Okay. Then you can take this quickly. 18 times 0 to square root of 2 times square root of 5. X square into what is g of x? X into x divided by 1 plus 4 x power 4 whole power 1 by 4, right? Okay, good. So x cube is there, no? X cube. So dx, right? G of x into dx. Here also dx. So then what will get? 18 times 0 to square root of 2 times square root 5 x cube dx by 1 plus 4 x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. Clear? Okay, fine. So how to integrate this? You can see the power is 1/4 is there, 1/4 is there. So just you can use the substitution method. What is substitution method we can do here? Let t is equal, t power 4 you can take. T power 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 x power 4 you can take. Correct? Okay. So you can differentiate on both sides. 4t cube dt is equal to 1 differentiation 0, 4 into 4x cube, right? Is it correct? 4 into 4x cube, yes, dx, right? So the 1, 4, 1, 4 cancel. So we need actually x cube dx is required. So x cube dx we required. So t cube by 4 into dt we can write. Okay, so we calculated this one. Next thing is the limit is in terms of x is there. You have to convert into t. So suppose x is equal to 0. You can see what is t power 4 is 1 plus 4 x power 4, right? If x is 0, what will get? T power 4 is equal to 1. So t is equal to 1. Clear? Rising 1 by 4 on both sides. Suppose if x is equal to square root of 2 root 5 you can take. What is t power 4? 1 plus, can take another color. So 4 into, what is x here? So 2 root 5 whole power 1 by 2, square root means power 1 by 2, whole power 4. Here 1 times, here 2 times will get. So t power 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 into 2 square is 4, root 5 square is what? It is 5, right? Then t power 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 4 is what? 8, 80. So this is 81. So t power 4, we need to calculate t power t, right? Is it correct? So this is how to write 3 power 4 we can write now. You can rise 1 by 4 on both sides. So t is equal to 3. Clear? I hope everyone understood. Next you can see. So next step, what you can do, integration 0 to square root of 2 root 5 is there. But you can see now in terms of t how to change 1 to 3 you have to change. Okay. And then x cube dx, how to change, how to write t cube by 4 dt we can write, right? T cube by 4 dt. T cube by 4 dt whole divided by t power 4 whole power 1 by 4, right? Because 1 plus, you can see 1 plus 4x power 4 we considering here is t power 4, right? So t power 4 whole power 1 by 4, right? Okay, fine. This is cancel. So here 18 is there, right? 18 into 4 you can take it out. 1 to 3 t cube dt, right? By t. If you cancel it, here is 2. So then how many times is possible here? 2 times 2, it is 9 times. 9 by 2 times 9 by 2. This integration of t square is what? T cube. T cube by 3, 1 to 3. So 9 by 2 times 3 cube by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 9 by 2 times, this is 1 time it cancel. It is 9 minus 1 by 3. So then what will get? 9 by 2 times 27 minus 1 by 3. This is 1 times, here is 3 times possible. So here is 3 into, here is 27 minus 1 is what? 26. Here 1 times, here is 13 times. 3 into 13 is 39 is your answer. Clear? Okay.